Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz checking in. And if this is your first time checking in, or if this is your first time on the channel, go ahead, feel free to take a look around the channel, see if there's any videos that interest you. If you do, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like on this video to recommend it to other viewers. And go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Cause I'm back at it. I know I keep saying that. I know I keep leaving y'all and coming back and leaving y'all and coming back. I know I'm kind of toxic, but hey, it is what it is. I mean, hey. All right, let's get it. All right, so the school year is back in session. School is back. The students are back. Well, they're not actually back yet, but by the time this video drops, they probably will be back. But right now, teachers, we're pre-planning. We're getting ready for the school year. One thing that I have to do, I know everybody doesn't really think about this. I have to clean out my book bag because from the last day of school, I haven't touched my book bag. I didn't empty out anything. I didn't, use the book bag for anything else over the summer, so I didn't empty it out, didn't clear it. So everything in here is what was in here from the last day of school last year. So now I'm about to clean it out. Ain't no telling what's in my book bag. Y'all saw how my closets are in my classroom. Don't expect my book bag to be anything different. I have random things. All these things have accumulated over the course of a whole school year. So there's no telling what's in here. But today I'm about to clean it out. So yeah, let's see what's in my book bag. Now I did go ahead and take out my laptop. This laptop was in there. This is my school issued laptop. Let's see. I can already tell you it's junky. You can just look in here. I got stuff everywhere. Yeah, this is just about to be interesting. So let's get to it. Okay, so looks like I have an entire pack of copy paper. Looks like it's almost full. Looks like I opened it, used a few pieces of paper. I believe I took this home because I was planning to use it for our printer at home. So I took the copy paper home and used to print over the summer, but didn't even use it, didn't even take it out my book bag. All right. And then I have a clipboard with, looks like some names. Okay, looks like some grades. Looks like failing grades. I must have took notes on like who was gonna pass, who's gonna fail, and who's close and who's not. Let's see. I have a few test papers. Let's see what they made on this test. Study guide. Oh, this person made a 12. 7 out of 55. I can show you because it doesn't have a name. This is the final exam. Yep, see that? 7 out of 55. 12%. This is what I'll be talking about, dog. Yeah, all this stuff is going in the trash, but I'm just putting it to the side for now. Let's see what else we got. Looks like we have this folder from the University of Georgia. I have a nutritionist that comes to teach my students nutrition. She comes from the University of Georgia. She passes out to students this folder. So yeah, there's that. It's trash. Okay. Looks like I have an entire class worth of tests. Let's see, let's go through these grades. 30, 64, 46, 12, 94, 37, 96, 48, 30, 82, 91, 50, 62, 84. Let's see, then we have, got some loose copy paper. Then I have some basketball practice sheets. We use this in basketball while they're doing their shots. This is a shot chart. I take 10 shots from each point around the 3-point line and then 10 shots inside the 3-point line. So I can actually save that. Let's see, then we got some handouts that I got from a meeting. More test papers. Let's see. Oh, these are exams, but they're empty, so I can save that. Just make copies of these, run it back. Yeah, all this just looks like trash. Let's see, meeting. Let's see, that's used. Meeting stuff. So all these are just papers that I received over in meetings and after school meetings. So that's trash. And there's some kind of magazine. I don't know where I got that from. Must have came from the library or something. All right, looks like a worksheet a student turned in. This looks like it is. Oh, notes I took down to like go over this math portion to find your blood alcohol concentration. That's something that we do here in class. Let's see. More papers I don't need. There's a class roster. Worksheets that students have turned in. We got students work, students work, students work. Oh, there's the students work, just loose worksheets, and they're all different too. Meetings, let's see, handouts. What's this? Okay, I can use this. This is my lesson plan. These are our weekly lesson plans that we have to turn in. So yeah, I can keep this and use this for a reference guide. Let's see, I have a folder. All right, so this is SPED. This is for my SPED students, a little folder. Let's see. Looks like contact information for flag football. Let's see. Handouts for meetings, loose paper, blank tests, blank exams, completed exams. Let's see, they got a 38 on that, 62. $23, blank, blank. Yeah, so all this is trash. I don't need none of this stuff. Oh, that's trash. Let's see. Looks like we got more worksheets, more tests. That's blank. Let's see. Looks like I have a stat book from the basketball season. Is this one filled out? Oh my gosh. And the time is 8:15 a.m., which means students would be right here. That person would be all in the midst of all the morning traffic, getting into the school, and yeah. So yeah, I got a basketball score, a stat book. It's filled out. This is all last season. It's filled out. So that's trash. More handouts from meeting. I guess everything. When I come from a meeting, I just need to start throwing stuff away because that's where a majority of this stuff is coming from. Papers that they hand out in meetings, like the agenda or all the topics that we're going to cover. I just keep those in my book bag. Let me show you what these are. Basketball plays, so I can call from the sideline. Keep that right there. Blank paper, an exam. Another one of those magazines all folded and crumpled up. More paper that's crumpled up. I don't know what that plastic is. Looks like something came in it. And got a little piece of paper. I'm sure it's trash. Yeah, can't even read it. All right, so now we're gonna get to the random stuff. Okay, well, it's not random. I have a book, Steve Harvey's Jump, Take the Leap of Faith to Achieve Your Life of Abundance. I have this book because we have this reading initiative at school where we go to homeroom and all the teachers, all the students, even the custodians, principals, we're all supposed to stop and read. We try to do it every Tuesday during homeroom, but yeah, this is my book that I was reading. And it has to be a physical book. Can't be like on the iPad, on your phone or Kindle. It has to be a physical book. All right, some more random stuff. I have this. You might be wondering what it is, but you know, you take your lunch to school. So I have a spoon. There was a fork in there too, but I must have taken the fork out, used it, took it home to wash. Hopefully I took it home to wash. That's one of my issues. I leave dishes in my book bag or at school or in the car. So that's my toxic trait, if you will. All right, so that empties out the big portion. The little portion is where all the random stuff goes. So number one, like I told you, I keep things in my book bag. Got 2 bottles of Sprite. One is a regular Sprite, one is a Sprite Zero. So go figure. Then I have a plastic fork. I have, this is for a Wendy's gift card, but the gift card is gone, but I still have that. Empty plastic bag. I have, all right, so this is an entanglement is what I have. I have an entanglement of a flag from flag football, some ankle tape, you know, to some pre-wrap. You pre-wrap your wrist, you pre-wrap your ankle, and a phone charger. It's all entangled, so yeah. I'm trying to do better this year. I'm gonna do better this year. I have some more ankle tape. Sorry, Shay. I have a real fork. It's dirty, so yeah, there's that. And I have the block to the charger that I just found. And where's this piece of paper folded up? Oh, it's a hall pass. Trash. All right, so I got like 1 or 2 more little small sections in the front. I don't really put things in here. I have a hat, I have a toboggan, you know, for the winter time in case it gets cold. And I have a pencil sharpener still in the pack, still in the wrap. I've been looking for this. This is our dry erase marker from home. When we play pool, we write on the little dry erase marker to keep score. Yeah, this is the marker from home. And these are just little plays that go in the little quarterback wristbands for my flag football team. Those are little cards. I replace them with these. These are actual plays that go on the wristband. And that, you guys, so perfect timing because my lights just went out. So yeah, that's what was in my book bag from the 23-24 school year. It is now the 24-25 school year. I'm excited to get started. Let's get it. I wish everybody a successful, happy, productive school year. Hey, let's get it.